ever wondered why it's so hard to stay motivated on your fitness journey? Well, you're not alone. Everyone, at some point or another, struggles with maintaining that initial burst of motivation. It's a common challenge, especially when life gets busy, or the results aren't showing up as quickly as you'd like. But here's the good news. There are strategies and techniques that can help you navigate these hurdles and stay committed to your fitness goals. This video is your guide to understanding these strategies and putting them into action. We're going to dive into topics like setting clear and realistic goals, finding your why, creating a supportive environment, mixing up your routine, tracking your progress, and so much more. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in maintaining motivation and making your fitness journey not just achievable, but enjoyable too. Ready to embark on the path to consistent fitness motivation? Then stay tuned. But before we do, please take a couple seconds to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out. Now back to today's video. So, where do we start? With clear and realistic goals. Yes, the first step in our fitness journey is setting attainable targets that are meaningful to us. It's not about what the latest celebrity is doing or what your friend swears by. It's about what works for you and your lifestyle. Now, it's crucial to break these goals down into smaller, manageable chunks. Think about it like this. You wouldn't try to eat an entire cake in one bite, right? You'd take it slice by slice. The same principle applies here. If your ultimate goal is to run a marathon, start by aiming to run a mile without stopping. Then, gradually build up from there. These bite-sized milestones will make your larger goal feel less daunting, and you'll feel a sense of achievement each time you reach one. This helps to keep your motivation levels high, propelling you forward on your fitness journey. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Now ask yourself, why do you want to get fit? Is it to feel more energetic, to boost your confidence, or to be able to run around with your kids without getting winded? Whatever your reasons are, they're incredibly important. These motivations, your whys, are the fuel for your fitness journey. They're personal to you and deeply intertwined with your values and aspirations. They're not just about looking a certain way or hitting a number on the scale. They're about the life you want to live and the person you want to become. But here's the thing. It's not enough to just identify your whys. You need to remind yourself of them regularly. Write them down, put them up on your mirror, set them as your phone wallpaper. When the going gets tough, your whys will keep you focused, committed, and resilient. Your why is your guiding light, always leading you back on track. Got your goals and your why? Great! Now let's surround ourselves with support. Creating a supportive environment is like laying a solid foundation for your fitness journey. It's about surrounding yourself with people who understand your goals, encourage you, and share your dedication to health and wellness. Think of these people as your personal cheerleading squad. They can be friends, family, or even a community of fitness enthusiasts you meet online or at your local gym. Having this network of support not only increases your motivation, but also provides a sense of belonging, making your fitness journey a shared experience. And don't forget about finding a workout buddy or an accountability partner. This person can be a game changer, pushing you to reach your potential, holding you accountable, and making workouts more fun. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. You have an entire team rooting for you, ready to celebrate every step you take towards your fitness goals. Feeling stuck in a routine? It's time to mix things up. A key ingredient to maintaining motivation in our fitness journey is variety. You see, our bodies are incredibly adaptable. This is fantastic for our survival, but it can be a bit of a hindrance when it comes to fitness. If we do the same workout day in and day out, our bodies learn how to perform these exercises efficiently, using fewer calories. This is what we call a fitness plateau. So how do we outsmart our bodies? Simple, we switch things up. Try a new class, incorporate different exercises into your routine, or even change the order of your usual workout. By doing this, you'll keep your body guessing, burn more calories, and most importantly, you'll keep things exciting. It's all about making your workout routine a fun adventure, not a monotonous task. Keeping things fresh and exciting is a surefire way to stay motivated. Ever wondered how far you've come? It's time to track your progress. Imagine you're embarking on a journey. Wouldn't you want to keep a record of the distance covered, the milestones passed, the challenges overcome? That's exactly what tracking your fitness progress does for you. It gives you a clear picture of your journey, from where you started to where you are now. But how do you track your progress? Well, it can be as simple as noting down your workouts, measurements, and achievements in a journal, or using a fitness app. This record not only shows you how far you've come, but also highlights areas where you can improve. Now here's the fun part: celebrating progress, no matter how small. Each time you reach a milestone, take a moment to acknowledge your hard work. Celebrate. This boosts your motivation, keeping you driven towards your fitness goals. Remember, progress is not always about drastic changes. The little improvements, the small victories, they all count. Every step forward is a victory worth celebrating. So, how do we keep the motivation flame burning? Well, let's recap the essential steps we've outlined today. First, we talked about setting clear and realistic goals. This gives us something to strive for, something to keep us moving forward. These goals should be meaningful to you and broken down into manageable milestones. Then, we discussed finding your why. Your why is your driving force, your reason for wanting to get fit and stay healthy. Regularly reminding yourself of this why will keep you focused and committed. We also touched on the importance of creating a supportive environment. This includes surrounding yourself with friends, family, or a fitness community who can cheer you on. A workout buddy or accountability partner can be a great source of motivation. Keeping your routine exciting by mixing it up was another key point. Trying new activities or exercises and incorporating variety into your routine can prevent boredom and plateaus. Next, we stressed the importance of tracking your progress. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, can provide a significant motivational boost. We discussed the power of visualization. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and how that will feel. Use affirmations and positive self-talk to reinforce your belief in yourself. Rewarding yourself was another crucial point. Set up rewards for reaching milestones or sticking to your plan. These rewards should be enjoyable and not food-related. So, are you ready to stay motivated on your fitness journey? You've embarked on this path, armed with clear, realistic goals that are uniquely yours. You've found your why, that burning reason pushing you towards a healthier, fitter you. You've surrounded yourself with a supportive tribe, spurring you on when the going gets tough. Your workouts are diverse, exciting, and tailored to you, staving off boredom and stagnation. You're tracking your progress, celebrating every milestone, no matter how small. You're visualizing your success, affirming your abilities, and rewarding yourself for your tenacity. You're remaining flexible, adapting to the inevitable setbacks, and focusing on non-scale victories. You're practicing self-compassion and keeping the journey fun. Remember, consistency is key. Your dedication day in and day out will bring you the results you crave. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more content like this. Thank you for joining us on this journey to fitness motivation. Until next time, stay healthy and stay motivated.